Hey everyone, this is Supercell EAS, and this is the Sangean CL-100. It was used on eBay and not used in new in box this time, and I checked the battery compartment, and I do not have enough AA batteries to plug this in for. So, it also came with this AC adapter, and this thing, right here, what it does. Now we are going to go ahead and plug it in and see if it works. Sorry about that. Plug it into here. Plug this into here. Now we are going to go ahead and turn it on. 3, 2, 1. And it works. Now the door is closed. See if we can get any good weather coverage. Not too sure how to switch to the weather here. Okay. Oh.
Lows 31 to 41. Areas of winds west 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour.
Wow, that's not bad. Alright, now let's check out the menu functions. Alarm 1, Alarm 2, clock. The current time is 2:27. Date. Today is the 25th of December 2020. Tone. We don't need to do that. Siren level. That is the siren for you. It's pretty loud. Alert mode. Voice. Defeat siren, we'll do that later. Add alerts, we'll also do that later. We're not going to do it in this video. County code, all. Weather channel, 1, of course. Backlight, just leave it as it is for now. Contrast, siren test. That's your siren test. Load defaults system version. Version 1.13. Manufactured in October 8th of 2010. There you go. That, my friends, is the Sangean CL-100 setup video. I hope you enjoyed the awesome video of stuff happening. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe for more EAS content. I'll find a place to put it in. I might as well put it in front of my WR400 for now. But anyways, yeah, that is it.